She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa.
Hey guys, it's me again, Caile. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm finally gonna show you my skincare routine. So I'm actually dealing with two different skin types where my T-zone is oilier and the other areas of my face tend to be dry, especially around the eyes. So yeah, let's start with the skincare routine. I keep my routine simple and the first thing I do is to cleanse my face using this Garnier Micellar water, the pink one. It preps my skin by clearing the excess oils and dirt on my face. One skincare mistake that I learned is that you shouldn't leave cleansing water on your skin. You should wash it off very gently after you use it. To double cleanse my face, I use this 𝓢𝓮𝓵𝓯 brightening soap to get rid of any excess product and dirt on my face. This product helped brighten and exfoliate my skin. The first time I tried using 𝓢𝓮𝓵𝓯's skincare products was 4 months ago, August 24, and simula nun wala talaga akong naramdaman na mahapde, hindi din nag-fill yung skin ko.
There must be something about the features. You'll find the beauty goes much deeper.
After that, I'm going to ice my face. Icing your face helps with the redness, swelling, and to just really calm the skin. It also helps minimize the appearance of your pores.
You be making moves that year, who really care what Simon say? All the bad things, girl, I had to look past that.
Next, I use this toner from 𝓢𝓮𝓵𝓯 again to cleanse any impurities left and also to brighten my skin.
Just hold me down like that, yeah.
After that, I use this 𝓢𝓮𝓵𝓯 serum as my moisturizer. I only use this during nighttime and my skin has been really glowy ever since I started using this.
Once you get to meet her, she's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find the beauty goes much deeper.
Next, I will put on this eye serum by 𝓛𝓸𝓿𝓮. It reduces fine lines and restores the firmness.
Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find the beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down.
Lastly, and the most important is sunscreen. I put sunscreen on even if I'm indoors the whole day to protect my skin from UV rays that pass through the windows.
What she hides under her disguise. Yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under this subtle smile? She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be
Don't forget to drink lots of water as well, and your skin will thank you for it.
It goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa.
Also, please wash your bed sheets every week or two kasi pwede tayo makakuha ng pimples sa sheets natin kapag dirty mo. If you do try out this routine and it works, let me know. Tag me on your Instagram stories so that I can see. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye!
From around the way, you didn't give me the time of day. You be making moves that year, who really care what Simon say? All the bad things, girl, I had to look past that. Call yourself a dime, I'm just trying to get my cash back. You be looking fine, so no wonder they can't match that Louis V scarf, or I'm chilling with a dad. Whoa.